Hi student, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, I am happy to see you through this video, right? Today topic is large numbers part 2. Large numbers part 2. In exercise 3rd, okay, in exercise 3rd, page number 21, already we know that the place value of the numbers, okay, place value of the numbers and using commas and also the number name of the numerals. Okay, today videos we are clarifying about place value of each digit in the numeral. Note this point, each digit in the numeral. Okay, listen, consider the numeral. The given numeral is 641970528. Okay, first the place value of the above the number. Write the place value above the number. We know that place value, Indian place value up to 10 crore. Okay, write the place value above the number. So here ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore, 10 crore. Okay, I hope you all remember the Indian place value chart, right? Okay, listen, write the place value of each digit in the numeral. There is the question. Okay, here 8 is in the 8 is in the ones place. Yes? Okay, 8 ones, that is place value of 8 is equal to 8 ones is equal to 8 into 1, that is 8 into 1, 1 8s are 8. Okay, each digit, right. The next one, number 2. The place value of 2 is 2 tens. So 2 tens is equal to 2 into 10, we get 20. Okay, the next one, 5. The place value of 5 is 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds. Here 5 hundreds. So 5 into 100 we get 500. The next one, the place value of 0 is, place value of 0 is 1000. So 0 thousands. So 0 into 1000 we get, are you guess? Yes, 0, because any number multiplied by 0, any number multiplied by 0 we get answer 0. The next one, 7. The place value of 7 is what? 10,000. So 7 10,000. We get 7 into 10,000. 7 into 10,000, 70,000. Okay, student, look carefully. Crores have, crore, 1 crore have 70. 1 crore have 70. Important point, listen carefully. 1 crore have 70 and 1 lakh have 5 zeros. And 1000 have 3 zeros. Don't forget. Okay, 1 crore have 70, 1 lakh have 50 and 1000 have 30. Now 10 crore means 10 crore have 10 and crore have 70. So we get 7. We add 7. 2, 4, 6 and 7 zeros. So 10 crore is 10 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. Look here. 9. The next number is 9. The place value of 9 is 9 lakh. 9 lakhs. Listen. Lakh have, 1 lakh have 5 zeros. So 9 into 1 lakh, that is 1, and we add 5 zeros. 2, 4 and 5. That is 1 lakh is equal to 9 into 1 lakh is equal to 9 lakh. So 9, 2, 4, 5. Okay, is it clear? The next one, the place value of 10 lakh. The place value of 10 lakh. Sorry, the place value of 1 is 10 lakh. So 1, 10 lakh. 1, 10 lakhs. Listen, 1, 10 lakhs. So we get 1 into 10 lakh means 10 and we add 5 zeros because 1 lakh have 5 zeros. 2, 4 and 5. Is it easy? So 1 into 10 lakh is equal to 10 lakh because any number multiplied by 1, the number itself, we get the number itself. So 10 lakh means 5 zeros. Okay. The next one, the place value of 4 is, crore. Crore have 1 crore have 7 0. I already told you 1 crore have 7 0. So 4, the place value of 4 is 4, 1 crore. Okay. So 4 into 1 crore mean 1, 2, 0 and 4, 6 and 7 zeros. We add 7 zeros. Okay. So 4 into 1 crore is equal to 4 crore. 2, 4, 6 and 7. Right. The next one, the place value of 6 is 10 crore. So 6, 10 crore. So now 6 into 10 and crore have 7 0. So we add 7 zeros. 2, 4 and 6, 7. Okay. So we get 6 into 10 crore is equal to 60 crore. Is equal to 60 crore. 1 into 6, 6 and we can add 9 zeros. That's all. 60 crore. 60 and crore have 7 zeros. So 2, 4, 6 and 7. That is the place value of each digit in the numeral. Okay. Don't forget place value of the each digit in the numeral. The required answer is. The next one is write the place value of underlined digit. Okay, note it. Write the place value of underlined digit in the numeral. The given numerals are here. The first number is, look here, the first number 635709412. Write the place value above the number first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. We easily read this by using commas also. I already told you by using commas. Okay. Now underlined digit is what? Yes, 7. Okay. The place value of 7 is, we know that the place value of 7 is lakh. 7, 1 lakh. So 7, 1 lakh. So 7 into 1 lakh. 1 lakh have 5 zeros. So 1 and 5 zeros. 2, 4 and 5. So we get 7 into 1 lakh. 7 lakh. 7 into 1 lakh. 7 lakh. Okay. Right. The next number is 820307,514. That is by using comma first. 82 crore and 3 lakh. Student, 03 is, we read as 3. So 3 lakh and 7,514. Right. Now the place value of underlined digit. Here this number 8. So 8 is, the place value of 8 is 10 crore. So 8, 10 crore. 8, 10 crores. So 8 into 10 and crore have 7 zeros. So we put 7 0, 2, 4, 6 and 7. Okay. Is it easy? The next one. 8 into 10 crore, 80 crore. 80 and crore have 7 0, 2, 4, 6 and 7. Right? The next one 9054600007. Right? First we put comma by using comma after 100 first, the next 10,000 and the next 10 lakh. Okay. Now we read as 90 crore. 90 is 90 crore 54 lakh 60,000 7 007. We read as 7 only. So 90 crore 54 lakh 60,000 7. Okay. Now the underlined digit is what? Yes, 5. So 5. The place value of 5 is, yes, 10 lakh. So 5 into 10 lakh. So 5 into 10 and lakh have 5 0. So we put 5 zeros add 2, 4 and 5. Okay. So 5 into 10 lakh 50 lakh. 5 into 10 50 and lakh 2, 4, 5. Okay student, is it clear? Okay. Student, next one is expanded form. Okay. The given numbers are there. Listen, write the place value above the number first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. And by using commas also, so we read as 9 crore, 72 lakh, 43,000 and 026 we read as 26. 026 we read as 26. Okay, 9 crore. Okay. First 9, 1 crore plus, this is the expanded form. Next one 7, 10 lakh. So 7, 10 lakhs plus the next one 2 lakh. Next one 2 lakh plus the next one 4 is in 10,000. So 4 10,000s and plus the next one 4 10,000, the next one 3,000s. 3,000s plus 0 hundreds, we write in 0 100 plus 2 tens and 6 ones. Okay. Is it clear? The next one 9 1 crore, right? So 9 into 1 crore means 7 zeros, we put 1 and put 7 0. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay. 9 into 1 crore. Right. The next one 7 10 lakhs. 7 into 10 lakhs means 10 and lakhs we have 5 zeros add 2, 4 and 5. Right. Is it clear? The next one 2 lakh. 2 into 1 lakh. 1 and lakh means 5 zeros plus 4 10,000. So 4 into 10 and thousands 3 zeros we put in 3 zeros and 3 thousands. 3 into 1000 plus 0 100, 0 into 100 plus 2 tens. So 2 into 10 and 6 ones means 6 into 1. Okay. Is it clear? The next one is, listen, 9 into what? 1 crore. 9 into 1 crore. So 9 into 1 crore means 9 crore. 9 and 7 0 we put 7 0. 2, 4, 6 and 7. Okay. 9 crore plus 7 into 10 lakh. 7 into 10 lakh. So 70 lakh. Lakh means 2, 4, 5. The next one 2 into lakh. So 2 lakh. 2 into 1 lakh is 2 lakh. 2 and 5 zeros. Right. Plus 4 into 10,000. 40,000. We put 4 zeros at and 3 into 1000. 3,000 plus 0 into 100. Are you guess? 0 into 100? Yes, 0. And 2 into 10? Right, 20. And 6 into 1? 6. That is the expanded form of the given number. Okay. Another one example. Here, look here. We read as by using commas. Right. 13 crore 6 lakh 19,804. 13 crore 6 lakh 19,804. So first 1 into here 10 crore. So 10 and crore means 70, 2, 4, 6, 7 plus the next one 3 into crore. 3 into 1 crore. So 3 into 1 crore. 2, 4, 6, 7. Right? The next one 0 into 10 lakh. 0 into 10 lakh. 2, 4, 5. And then next number is 6. 6 into 1 lakh. And the next one is 1 10,000. So 1 into 10,000. The next one is 9 into 9 thousands. So 9 into 1000 plus 8 into 100 plus 0 into 10. The next one, yes, 4 into 1. Okay. So we get multiplied the numbers 1 into 10 crore, that is 10 crore, 4, 6 and 7, 10 crore, and 3 into 1 crore, that is 3 crore, 2, 4, 6, 7 zeros. And next one 0 into 10 lakh. Are you guess? Yes. The answer is 0. And 6 into 10,000. 60,000. Sorry, 6 into lakh. So 6 lakh, 2, 4 and 5. Next one 1 into 10,000. 10,000. The next one is 9 into 1,000. Yes, 9,000 plus the next one is here 8 into 100. We guess? Are you guess? 8 into 100? 800. Very good. The next one 0 into 10. Very good. 0 plus 4 into 1. Yes, 4. That is the expanded form of the given numbers. Okay. Student, next one is short form. Short form or standard form. The same word, same one. Okay. Short form or standard form. Write the short form for given numbers of the following numbers. Here, look here. This is the question. Short form. We write the short form. Right. First, we move left to right, okay, right to left, right. Listen, 2 is in the ones place, right. What is the number in ones place? 2. So, first we will start, we will write in number 2. Next, what is the number in tens place? Here tens number is no. So, no number in tens place. So, we will put the number 0, we put 0. Okay. Next one, what number in hundreds place? Here 200. So we put right, we write the number 2. The next one, thousands, no number in thousands place. So we write in 0. Okay. The next one, here 10,000. So what is the number in 10,000 place? Yes, 2 10,000. So answer is 2. Next one, here 2450. 50 means yes, lakh. So 2 lakh. What is the number in lakh? Lakh please? 2. So we write 2. The next one, 10 lakh. 10 lakh means What? 6 zeros. Here 2, 4, 6, 7. So this is the crore number, 8 crore. But we write in the next number is 10 lakh number. So no number in 10 lakh place. So we write in number 0. Okay, wow? We put 0. The next one, 7 zeros means crore. So 8 crore. The next one is crore place. So answer is 8. Okay. Is it clear? First we will write in places first ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh and crore and 10 crore. So and after we will write the numbers. Okay. The next number is, listen, next given number is this. First we write the place values ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Okay. Listen. What number in ones place? Here 4. So we write the number 4. Next one. What number in tens place? 80. 8 tens. Okay. So we write the number 8. Next one. 100 number is what? Are you guess? Yes. 4. The next number is thousands. Here 4 zeros. So this number is 10,000 number. So 30,000. Okay. So no number in thousands place. So we put what number? Yes, 0. So 10,000 place is 3. What number in lakh place? Here 2, 4, 6. This is the 10 lakh numbers. So 5 zeros we have, lakh have 5 zeros. So no number in lakh place. So we put 0. Okay. The next one is, yes, very good, 8, 10 lakh. Okay. The next one is, listen, 2, 4, 6, 7. So this is the crore number. So 6 crore. 6 crore. So the place is in, the number is in the place crore. So we put the number 6. Okay. The next one, 10 crore is no number. So no need the number. So we get answer is, the required answer is 6 crore, 80 lakh and 30,484. Is it clear? Also we put the commas. Okay. 6 crore, 80 lakh and 30,484. Is it clear? Right, student? I hope you all are understood the video. And don't forget, study the multiplication table and writing, and have also writing practice. Okay. Don't forget. Thank you.